I'm Jeff Waldman. I am an electronic systems technician.
And I'm Molly Fiffer. I work for a nonprofit, live in San Francisco mostly, but hang out here. The whole idea was to build a space or create a space or have friends contribute to a space where we can learn together, experiment together, build together. Getting a yard or having more space wasn't really feasible in the city of San Francisco.
The very first thing we built was a table. It's like if you show up at a campsite, like that's at least the thing that they give you.
All the clearing we've done by ourselves, all the tree cutting we've done by ourselves, all the milling we've done by ourselves. The cabin that we are sitting on was designed by us. The exterior is made of redwood that we got from a local sawyer. And what we did to it is we sprayed it with a material called Ikea wood. The deck is made of redwood. This is basically what redwood looks like just left on its own.
It was really important to us to have a very spacious, light-filled interior. When you come in, the reason the loft doesn't extend all the way to the front of the building is we wanted the light to come in through the front of the building and bounce into the back. The interior walls are birch plywood. All of the trim is birch. The timbers that are exposed are Doug fir. The cost-saving measure on the kitchen was instead of doing it out of cabinets, we used this industrial wire shelving. The cooler slides out on casters. We actually measured the cooler and caster height to ensure that it would fit underneath the sink. Ikea lights that we mounted right into some electrical conduit, all solar powered. We have 3 panels right about here on the outside of the roof.
My favorite spot is sitting on that bed. Wake up in the morning, right in front of you is this big square window framing the view of the valley. There's this big Doug fir, redwoods on either side. Most mornings, like there's some fog ribbons running through.
My favorite thing in the cabin right now is the ladder that goes up to the loft. I think it's really special that we were able to use some of the materials that we felled and milled ourselves. Something we wanted to provide for people was 1, a nice hot shower, and 2, like a decent bathroom. Yeah, it was also cool to have the opportunity to build our first sink. Pit toilet. This is like stick-on wallpaper that we found online. My really good friend gave this to us. It says, "Outstanding achievements in friendship, Molly Fiffer and Jeff Waldman, back-to-back champions of land."